So I found this tweet yesterday by Hassan at Nutlope, and they were introducing Hallmark. So it's a set of skills that promises to redesign or design without slop. So it will take any slop site and it will make it look less AI. And I thought, well, that is an incredible use case for many of my projects that I'm working on. I've been using a bunch of these skills from all over the internet, and I was interested to see what's happening. So Hallmark based landing pages built with AI, and it has 4 commands or verbs. One is audit and redesign and build and design. And the whole idea is that you design skill that refuses to look like AI generated. All right, so I thought, well, my use case perfect for it is I've got an open source library or app called mailshot.dev. And as you can see, just by looking at this, this is a slop fest, and I admit it is. It's just an open source library, and I needed a website, and I had AI created it. So one thing is, this is already, I used a different skill, and this is already deslopped 1 level, apparently, but we'll see from the audit from Hallmark that what's going on. But this still reeks of AI. But this is, it's just telling AI to build me a site for this. It's not supposed to be a sales. It isn't a sales page. It's an open source library. It needs to be declarative, just to say what it is, and when you land here what you need. All right. So Slopfest. So I went and I installed the skill. It's pretty easy to install. Install the skill, you add it, you ask you some questions. Everything's already set up. I use Claude Code here, and I just gave it an audit. So I just I started my dev server and I said audit the site. I didn't do any specifics. I just wanted to see straight up. So I ran the audit, and this is it gave me a nice feedback. So surface graded, what, it inferred the genre, everything, the fonts, everything's cool. Critical, ships as slop, 100% correct. And then it goes on and lists just a bunch of stuff, the dead giveaways, the eyebrows, the cards, just the mistakes that it made, and well, etc. It looks AI generated, 100% correct. Again, a nice full list. And then a few minor tweaks of the copy, the this to that. All right. And 80% of text is muted, background gray. Okay. So a nice summary, and it asked it ended by asking, do you want to redesign this? So I only used the audit and the redesign. I said yes. And there it went, gave it a few minutes. It ran, it had a nice plan, and then one by one it fixed everything. You can see stuff it fixed, cool. And at the end, it gave me a nice summary of what it did. So the headings, it normalized that, the body, divider, there's a cool scroll thing that they added. Eyebrows, there's only one. And thank God for that. All right, so let's have a look. So this is a nice table of the feedback, and slop days row, what. Okay, and then, so this is what it came up with. And I like it. I like it already. It's less sloppy. It changed the copy a bit. It made it a bit more salesy. I'm fine with that. Yeah, it's really I'm not offended by that. Cool, but like, just for instance, this table, which I didn't ask for, which it got from just that old thing, the cards with the this and the that and the icons and the bullshit. Also this whole section, that card was it's hard to read. No one reads that or cares about that. So I like this a lot more. The other cool thing that it did was this scrolling 2-layer. I always like that type of thing. So yeah, it reads easier, it's nicer. Bring whatever HTML you make. So this one used to have these cards, and it's just absolute terrible. I just hated it. MJML, and then a subheading of the explaining, dude, I mean, this is email. If you need this, you know what you're doing, and you don't need that thingy. And I think they fixed it pretty well. It's just it works with anything. Just bring your own HTML, bring your own templates. That's fine. This one is cool. The colors, the data flow, they kept the same. If you do the side by side, that's pretty nice. And lastly, at the bottom here, yeah, this one was just like a lot of words, a lot of everything. This looks cooler. And the tools, which it counted incorrectly the first time, what's nice about this one is it actually sort of documented the tools. Obviously, there are full docs, Fuma docs, but yeah. So it's a lot better. It's more polished, which means I like it. I'm going to keep on hacking at it and tweaking it, and I'll keep on using it. I've got a lot of UIs that need a bit of attention. So I have this old lady that's been there for ages that's gonna need a little sprucing up. So I'll give Hallmark a try and I'll give feedback on that. But yeah, so to Hassan, thanks so much. Great tool, great skill, and thanks for the access, and there's some cool feedback.